welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for October month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. For this month, the price for Lady Raga is 579 rupees. I will be mentioning the price plus the buying link in the description box. So yes, you guys can check the description box for more detail. Now let's open it and see what all it has. So the first thing here is this bag, and all the products are in this bag. So first of all, this is the bag, and then this is the info card which I've got, and it says October choice. And yes, I will be telling you what all product is there in October month. So the first product is of course the star product, and I think this is the star product which I've got. It's an eyeshadow kit, you can say. So it has 6 eyeshadow kit colors plus 2 blusher colors. Let's open it and see. So this is how it looks. Now once you open it, let me just open it. Okay, so these are the 6 shades here, and once you open it, 2 blusher shades are here with the brusher. So this is the first product. So the second product is by Monsub, and in this I have 2 different masks. The first one is Monsub Lavender Soothing and Firming Facial Mask. The price for this one is 250 rupees. And yes, Monsub masks are really nice. Okay, happy to receive this. The second one is this Gold Eye Mask. This is again a really great eye mask, I would say. So yes, happy with both the masks here. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a jewelry pendant chain, and this is the one. Let me just open it and show you. The price of this one is 250 rupees, and this is how the pendant chain looks like. It's really pretty. 250 is the price. Let me wear it and show you the look. I know this will not go on this dress, but still let me just wear it. Yes, it's not going with this dress, but the pendant chain is beautiful. Now let's move on to the next one, but before that, let me just remove this and I'll be back. The next one is a surprise gift, which is the best part, I guess, in Lady Raga. I just love it. So as a surprise gift, I've got this a lipstick from Freedom, and the color, I can see it's beautiful. Let me show you the color. It's fuchsia pink shade. Let me show you the shade here on my hand. The swatch. Okay, so this is the pretty color, and yes, as you all know, I guess, that I love any kind of pink. So this is a really beautiful fuchsia pink kind of color. So yes, I'm definitely going to use it, and yes, I'm happy to receive this. Now the last product is product of your choice. In that I've got this. This is eyeshadow from Freedom. Let me just open it and show you the color. It's a very pretty color which I absolutely love. The shade is 230 and the name is Bright 230, I guess. Okay, let me just open it and show you. So this is the one. Let me just show you the shade here. So this is how the shade looks like. It's very pretty, very bright shade. Yes, and definitely going to try it. As you know, I don't use much of eyeshadows, but yes, it's a really pretty shade. So I'm definitely going to try something with this. So this is the last product, and that's all what I have received in my Lady Raga for October month. And yes, if you ask me, I love the combination of 2 masks here. Then the eyeshadow is great. Then the lipstick, the surprise gift, I loved it. Then the pendant is nice. So yes, overall a good box, and we are just paying 579 rupees. So yes, if you like it, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye.